The New York City Council's recent approval of a measure allowing legal, non-citizens to vote in local elections is unconstitutional, National Review Institute senior fellow Andrew McCarthy told Fox News Digital. The City Council approved the legislation last Thursday, giving the right to an estimated 800,000 non-citizens who have lived in the city for at least a month, mostly green card holders and others with work authorization, the right to vote in municipal elections. That right would extend to any primary, special, general or runoff election for mayor, controller, public advocate, borough president or council member, as well as local ballot initiatives. Non-citizens should not be allowed to vote because it is a violation of New York State Constitution, which explicitly invokes the word citizen, repeatedly, in defining the qualifications for voting, McCarthy, former assistant U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York, said. The first article of New York State's Bill of Rights states that every citizen shall be entitled to vote at every election for all offices elected by the people, provided that such citizen is 18 years of age or over and shall have been a resident of this state, and of the county, city, or village for 30 days next preceding an election. The New York City measure will allow non-citizens who have been lawful permanent residents of the city for at least 30 days, as well as those authorized to work in the U.S., including so-called Dreamers, to help select the city's mayor, city council members, borough presidents, controller and public advocate. McCarthy added that the qualifications for holding a New York City office are also set in the Constitution. They limit office holders to citizens. He explained, obviously, if the City Council believes it can ignore the state constitution on the matter of who is permitted to vote, there is no reason to believe it would not similarly ignore the Constitution regarding qualifications for holding office. The consequence of such legislation, he added, is immense, not only for New Yorkers but for American governance and culture. Obviously, when non-citizens vote, it dilutes the votes of citizens, he explained. The concept that the votes of citizens count is a bedrock of constitutional democracy. Also fundamental is the concept of citizenship, to which singular allegiance to the nation and its laws is basic.